dear students, your Chandra sir starting chemistry, IPE chemistry present. I am going to take first year chemistry. First year chemistry, I am going to take 2 marks. 2 marks. So, in 2 marks, I have already informed you randomly I will take. Totally, it will cover 300 questions up to April. Kindly keep it in mind. One is 2 marks questions. You have one thing I am going to say. You may expect atomic structure, periodic table, and organic chemistry 8 marks questions. Okay, 8 marks questions. Rest of topic, if you observe it, you may have 2 marks questions. If you can observe it, if I take gas state, SO2, CO2, CH4, SO2, CO2, CH4, which gas diffuse, very fast? Why? Here is a question. SO2, CO2, CH4, among these gases, which gas diffuse fast? Why? You know pretty well. States of matter. This question derives from states of matter. Diffusion. What is it? The rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to the square root of its density, a constant temperature and pressure. The rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to square root of its density, or I can say 1 by root m. The rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to square root of molecular weight. So you kindly keep it in mind. Rate is directly inversely proportional to 1 by root d, or rate is directly proportional to 1 by root m. Like inversely proportional to m root m. You can say it like that. So you kindly keep it in mind, this one or this one. So here we don't have perfect density of the respective gases. At present we don't have an idea. We don't have any agenda. So I request you, instead of density, you take molecular weight. You kindly keep it this one. Sulfur dioxide, molecular weight. Carbon dioxide, molecular weight. Methane, molecular weight. So at present, if you want to solve this type of questions in stoichiometry or gas states or number, if you want to calculate the number of moles, if you want to calculate which gas diffuse, whatever the problem may be, you are supposed to know what is that? The atomic weights of this one. Hydrogen is 1, carbon is 12, nitrogen is 14, oxygen is 16, sodium is 23, magnesium 24, aluminum 27, sulfur 32, chlorine 35.5, calcium 40. You are supposed to know. You by heart it. Then you can solve this problem. You see, sulfur dioxide molecular weight. Tell me, S plus 2 into O. I can write it. SO2. S, sulfur how much? 32. The atomic weight of sulfur is 32 plus 2 into oxygen atomic weight 16. 32, 16 into 2, 32. This is nothing but 64. So sulfur dioxide molecular weight 64. Next, carbon dioxide. C plus 2 into O. Carbon atomic weight 12 plus 2 into oxygen atomic weight 16. 12 plus 32. This is nothing but 44. The most important atomic weight of carbon 12, oxygen 16. Calculate it. You have a carbon dioxide molecular weight, that is nothing but 44. Another one is methane. Another one is methane. Methane. Carbon plus 4 into hydrogen. Carbon, how much? 12. 4 into hydrogen, how much? 1. This is nothing but 12 plus 4 into 1, 4. This is nothing but 16. So, you have an idea. IPE Chemistry 2021 May date has announced. So, we have a 16 methane, SO2 64, carbon dioxide 44. What Graham law says? Lighter gases diffuse very fast. Lighter gases diffuse very fast. తేలికైన వాయువులు త్వరగా వ్యాపిస్తాయి. Lighter gases diffuse very fast. Which is lighter gases? Which gas has less weight? Methane 16 grams, 64 grams, carbon dioxide 44 grams. So, among this 16, CH4 16 grams, CO2 44 grams, SO2 64 grams. So, rate is inversely proportional to, I already informed you, 1/2. So, here methane gas is lesser weight. So, what you have to write? Methane gas is lesser weight. So, methane gas diffuses very fast than compared to carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. So, methane gas molecular weight is less. Methane gas molecular weight. How you have to calculate molecular weight? The sum of the atomic weights. So, methane gas molecular weight is less. So, methane gas, according to Graham's diffusion law, at constant temperature and pressure, the rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to square root of its density or square root of its molecular weight. So, I have taken here molecular weight 16, 44, 64. So, here the molecular weight of methane is very less. So, I can take methane diffuses very fast. Very slow. Who? Sulfur dioxide molecular weight 64. The more weight, the lesser the weight, the more the speed. The lesser the weight, the more the speed. The more the weight, the lesser the speed. Okay? The lesser the weight, the more the diffusion rate, the more the rate of the diffusion, the more the fast. The more the molecular weight, the slower the diffusion. Okay? I wish you all the best. God bless you. Another important question. Compare the diffusion of A, hydrogen helium, 2 mass, B, SO2 CH4. Please note it, very simple. Hydrogen, I am going to take a problem. Hydrogen, what you have to do? R1 by R2 root of M2 by M1 formula. Kindly keep it in mind. He has not given any data. He has simply mentioned compare the diffusion rates of hydrogen and helium, or the diffusion of hydrogen how many times than that of helium. He may pose question. Again, sulfur dioxide, methane, compare chain. R1 by R2 root of M2 by M1. You can take hydrogen, you can take helium. Hydrogen, R1 is equal to helium R2. Hydrogen molecular weight M1, helium molecular weight M2. Hydrogen molecular weight 1 plus 1, 2 H's are there. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Helium molecular weight 4. So here R1 by R2 is equal to root of m2 4 m1 2 2 2s. So r1 by r2 is equal to root 2 r1 is equal to root 2 into r2. This means the diffusion of hydrogen gas, the diffusion rate of hydrogen gas is root 2 times than that of R2, means diffusion of helium gas. The diffusion of hydrogen gas is root 2 times than that of R2 helium gas. So R1 is equal to root 2 R ante hydrogen gas diffusion rate is root 2 times than that of helium gas. Okay. Thank you.